I'm going to walk you through 3 major things you should do to boost your iPhone's speaker volume. First off, head over to your phone settings and select accessibility. Here, scroll to touch. On this page, navigate to call audio routing. And make sure to enable this option of speaker. Step 2, head over to your settings and select accessibility. Now scroll down to hearing devices. Now if this option of hearing aid compatibility is enabled, make sure to turn it off. The third step is to reset all settings. Head over to your iPhone settings, select on General, and then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Select on Reset, and then click on Reset All Settings. You want to enter your iPhone passcode and confirm by clicking on Reset All Settings. This doesn't erase any of your data, but rather resets the device system back to default and might eventually fix your speaker sound issue. The bonus step is to manually clean your speakers. Simply get a soft brush and gently sweep across your iPhone's speaker grills to remove dust and debris. Well, I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.